Evolution of refrigerator door opening. Stage 1. The gentle finger tap tests the cold barrier. Stage 2. The cautious crack, just enough to peek. Stage 3. The silent inch, barely moving the seal. Stage 4. The moderate pull, revealing a yogurt. Stage 5. The halfway swing, enough for a beverage grab. Stage 6. The bold opening, 2 items retrieved. Stage 7. The full wide swing, entire shelf surveyed. Stage 8. The double door spread, total access achieved. Stage 9. The lean-in full body commitment, the evolution is complete. Serious nonsense.